Hello guys, welcome to my streaming masterclass. Today we'll be focusing on a particular streaming software which is Meld Studio. It is I'll recommend it for everyone because it is one of the simplest basic streaming software to use compared to OBS. OBS can be very complex, but Meld Studio is very easy to use, very easy to navigate, and I'll be teaching you guys the most important thing, what you need it for exactly, how to add your scenes, your layers or your scenes, your camera, your capture card. But unfortunately, I do not have a capture card to use it with, but I have a camera to use it with because I have an extra camera here. But it's the same method. How you add your camera is the same way you add your capture card, but we'll get to that. So that's basically what I will be talking about in this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So let's go straight into the scene. And here we are. Once you download Meld Studio, this is and you launch Meld Studio, this is what you're going to see. This is the first part you're going to see. So what does it mean? You have your layers here, you have your scene here, you have your space, go live if you want to stream, record if you want to record your clips, and many more. So you can see, compared to OBS, it is very basic, but trust me, it does the job perfectly. So first of all, the reason why we install a plugin on OBS for us to be able to stream on Twitch is because we need the vertical layout. Thanks to Meld Studio team, they were able to put in the vertical layout. All you just have to do is install it. It is very straightforward. As you can see to my to the right of my screen right here, it is telling me to install the virtual camera if I want to. The layout is already there. So if I want to use, maybe I want to I'm using my capture card with Meld Studio, and I want to send my video to TikTok. All I have to do is just install the virtual camera. Once it's installed, I create my scene right here, then I enable the virtual camera. So the first thing we are going to do is to install the virtual camera. Install sorry, I saw something now. First is going to be for the portrait, so install. Yes. So now it's installed. Virtual camera is there. So now the first thing, how do we add our capture card? How do we add our layout and everything? My camera is plugged in at the moment. So let me see, is it still on? Or let me power it on. So my camera is on. I use the OBS bot Tiny 2 Lite. So if you want to add your camera, the first thing you're going to do is click on this plus sign right up here. You see, these are the options here: video devices, game capture, and all and everything. So we click on video devices. Then it asks us to select a device. Then these are the devices I have. I have the Camo app. Camo is also, Camo is an app where you use your smartphone it makes you use your smartphone as your camera. I'll talk about that in another video. So for this video, we are going to add our camera, which is the OBS bot Tiny 2 Lite stream cam. So once I click on that, boom, voila, this is my camera. This is how I would add, how you add your camera device. So your camera might be different. Your camera might be a standard camera whereby you use a capture card. So all you just have to do is click on the plus sign, video device, then you select your capture card or your camera, and that's it. Same as your video device. Once you've connected your capture card to your PlayStation, then you've passed it to your PC, all you just have to do is click on the plus sign, click on the video device, and once you click on the video device, you click on the capture card which you want to capture, and that's basically it. So it's very simple. If you want to do the same thing, to the vertical scene, you click on here. Let me delete this thing because I was trying to do something. Let me just delete this one. Delete layer, delete layer. So you click on this side. If you want to work on this side, you click here, then you'll be able to adjust whatever you want to adjust. Then if you want to work on the vertical layout, you click on it. Then we do the same process. We click on the plus sign, we click on the video device. What video device do you want to install? The OBS Tiny 2 camera, this. Then boom, that is it. So I can adjust it anyhow I want, wherever, anyhow. That's my camera there. Then if I want to add my video, my gameplay video from my PlayStation or from wherever I'm capturing it from, the same method. You click on the vertical side, you click on the plus, and you head over to video devices. Then you click on the capture card which you are capturing from, and it's going to display on your screen. Then all you just have to do is position it however you want to, however layout you want to, you position it right there. So I think by now you guys understand, or you guys know how to add your scenes and your capture card and your camera. It is very, very easy. So now let's assume you have a single PC and you want to play a video game and stream it on that same PC. Of course, we are going to have to use the instead of using the display, the video capture, we would have to use the game capture, because we have to capture the game we want to stream to our streaming software, which is the Meld Studio. So what we have to do is, once we add, I have a game running already. You click on maybe it's the main canvas or the vertical canvas. But let's start with the main canvas. Let me readjust that so it will be much more easier. So I've readjusted my camera. So now I want to add my my video game, the video game I want to stream. So I click on this plus sign and I click on game capture. Oh, automatically brought it up. Probably that's because that's the only game I'm running at the moment. So I'll adjust this to bring the camera in front. So now it is capturing my video game, which is running in the background, and also it has my camera on there. And I'm going to show you a trick about this camera. Once you click on the camera, click on it, then you see this plus sign. Let me lock this so we can focus. So once we click on the camera, you see this crop. This sign is the crop sign. Once you click on it, you can adjust how your camera wants to be. I will show you how I prefer my camera to be when I'm streaming. So for you to do that, you just click on the Alt key. Once you click on the Alt key to crop, you now move this. You see, it's cropping both sides. If I did not use the Alt key, if I just crop, and this is just working for one side. But if I want to crop both sides at the same time, I hold the Alt key and I drag it. You see, thereabout, I can leave it like this, and I just click outside the box. And also, if you notice, you can see some dots here. What this dot does is it makes the corner um of the camera, the corners, it bends it. It gives it a nice. Let me show you. Once I click on that dot and I adjust it, and you see the bend on the edges, on the corners of the circle. So I like to bend it a bit. You see, it's giving it a nice design. Then you can just reduce the size, and just put it on the side. It might be too small, of course. It depends on your choice. You can make it wide, you can make it slim. I'm just telling you how I love mine to be. So you can, of course, adjust the size to make it a bit bigger, then reposition it. Yeah, so voila. So now we've added our game capture, our scene, we've added our camera, and I'll assume you've added your gameplay from your PlayStation or from your second PC. So it is very, very easy. On the other hand, on the vertical side, you click on the vertical side, you click on the plus, you click on the game capture, automatically it's bringing it out. Then you just put it there and adjust it however you want to adjust it. I like to make mine very big. Yeah, this is how I do it. Boom. And that's basically it. Simple. For my Twitch or for my YouTube or for my any other for my Kick, my main canvas is ready. Same as if I want to stream on TikTok or I want to stream on YouTube vertical, my vertical is ready as well. So I hope you guys understand. I hope you guys understand um how to add your scenes, how to add a capture card. It's very, 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 very easy. OBS will be a bit tricky, but this is just straight to the point, straight, easy, not complex at all. As you can see down here, these are the audio. This is for, I think one is going to be for the main canva, and the other is going to be for the vertical canva. So that's basically everything about adding your scene, adding your camera, adding. Oh, I need to tell you one more thing. If you click on each, maybe let's say we want to adjust this camera. If we click on it, if you look to the right here, you see you can adjust the resolution, the opacity. There are many things you can do. You can even add filters if you want. So don't forget the right hand side here. Even for this, you can adjust the resolution. Same goes to this and this. So it's very, 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 very easy. So now I will tell you the next thing we'll be talking about is how to link your account, your bit rate, and that kind of thing. Sorry about that. So that's what you need. So for us to do that, for us to link our account, we go to file, then we scroll down to preferences. This is where the main whatever is. So if you are streaming in 1080p, of course you click on 1080p. Because I'm actually playing in my game is capturing in 1440p, I can decide to stream in 1440p. But since I'm not even streaming, so I'm just showing you. So this is the set. You click on 1080p for the Canva. Right here, if you want to use a single Canva, you can use a single Canva. But I'm using multi Canva. That is the main, the horizontal and the vertical canvas. So 1080p, your FPS, of course, you select your FPS, 60 FPS. I think the max it can do is 60. I don't know. Then your bitrate, if you are streaming to Twitch or YouTube, 5,000 is okay. If you have more internet speed, there's a secret for bitrate. Your upload speed will determine your bitrate. If you're having like 100 megabyte per second, and you want to stream to just maybe 3 platforms, you can use 10,000 bitrate if they accept. But I don't think Twitch will accept. I would advise you use 5,000 or 6,000. So for your uh main Canva, you can use 6,000. For your portrait as well, you can use 6,000. Although YouTube can allow 10,000, but 6,000 is perfect. Then your quality, you leave it on good. You leave it on good. Then your audio bitrate, either 160 or 256, depending on you. Then see, that's it. That's all you need. OBS, you have a lot of settings, a lot of things to tick. But yeah, that is all you need. Then let's go to adding our account. Let's go to adding our account. If you got to this part of the video, it means you are enjoying the tutorial, which I'm really happy about. So I would like you guys to like, subscribe. It really goes a long way in supporting the channel. Thank you so much. Let's get straight into the video. So we go in. We talk about adding our account to Meld Studio. So now we've gotten all our scenes ready. Everything is ready. So we want to add our YouTube and TikTok and so on and so forth. So all you have to do is you can see the output on the top right, just right there. You click on this plus sign. Can you see it's giving us Twitch, it's giving us Kick and YouTube, and also custom. If you have your custom stream keys from wherever you want to stream, you can just use that app option. So let's assume we want to use YouTube. We click on YouTube. You see, now all we have to do is get our stream URL from YouTube and also get our stream key from YouTube, paste it on here. Then you select either you want to use the main Canva if you want to stream in the normal YouTube, in the normal horizontal way, or you want to stream to YouTube Shorts, then you select the portrait, which is the vertical. So once you select those and you've added your stream key and everything, that's it. You just close it. Your YouTube is good to go. The same way, if you want to add your Twitch, you click on this plus sign, click on Twitch, you add your stream URL, you add your stream key. Twitch is going to be the main Canva, obviously. So you click on the main Canva. Once you're done, you close it. Boom. You've added your Twitch. You see how simple this is? Very, very simple and very straightforward. So this is how you add your account. And if you want to add more accounts, you click on plus, add your custom keys and all, and you are good to go. Then if you want to send your Canva, maybe either horizontal Canva, which is the main Canva, or the vertical Canva, you go to this virtual camera, you select the one you want to share. If it is your main Canva, you select it. If it is your portrait Canva, you select your portrait. Make sure it is selected. Then you toggle this on. So if you go to your TikTok and you click add camera, all you have to do is just select Meld Studio virtual camera. And once you select it, the Canva you chose is immediately going to display. That is it. You don't need to go to TikTok Live Studio and click add source, add camera. No. All you just need to do is capture it from Meld Studio straight as a virtual camera to your TikTok live studio. Can you see how easy this is? Very, very easy. And to be honest, I think I've covered everything I want to talk to you talk to you about in this video. I've made mention of everything. And also you can record with this Meld Studio as well. Let's go to file, let's go to preferences, and we scroll down to, you see, recording edit. Once you go to your recording edit, you select the bitrate you want to record. Depends on your space. 5,000 of course is going to be clearer, it's going to be sharp and all of that. Select it, maybe you want to record the portrait, which is the vertical, or the main camera, which is the horizontal. You select whichever you want to, your bitrate, your audio quality, 160 or 2 or 256, whichever one you want. Once you select it, that's basically it. So immediately you click on record, automatically it will start to record just the way you are seeing it. So very, very straightforward. So I think as of now, you guys should be able to add your scenes, add your account, you know how to record your gameplay while you're streaming, you know how to send your how to use the virtual camera in case you want to use TikTok Live Studio. So if you have any questions, or if there is anything you guys want to ask me, because I'll be talking about other streaming softwares as well. I'll be talking about TikTok Live Studio, I'll be talking about OBS. So don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you guys will not miss any of this video. I'll be posting really well this month because I'm off work, so I'll be posting back-to-back content, and I will try as much as possible to make a very good content so you guys can enjoy it. So thank you so much for your time. If you've watched this video, in fact, I respect you. Thank you so much. So I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget, if you have any question, drop it in the comment section. If anything is confusing and you want me to talk about, drop it in the comment section. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much. Peace out.